Hi, it's Michael from Culture Talk and Tours, and I'm here today in Changhua City, just south of Taichung City in Taiwan. I'm here to see the fan-shaped railroad garage. I haven't heard a lot about it, just that it's one of the things you should come and see when you're here in Taiwan. Let's go have a look. Okay, I'm now inside where all the trains are in their garages. So you can see behind me there is 1 to 12 garages, and they each have a track that are numbered as well. And then they'll come over to this device here, and it will turn them around, and it will put them on these 2 tracks here. So we come in on 2 tracks, use this to turn them around, and then it kind of just slots them into their garage. We're going to take a look up. They've got a little observation area. We can look and see what it looks like from above. Now I'm inside the garage. Now these are just for the engine of the train. So that's just where the trains would go to park. They can be maintenance, they can be checked, and then they're parked here. Then they would slide out, and they would use that device that would turn them, and they will connect to all the carriages that are waiting on the 2 rail lines just behind us where we are. Let's go have a look from up above what it looks like. Up on the observation deck, and you can see the garages behind me. At first I thought there were only 7, but there are in fact 12. And then behind you can see that it connects again to this device that would put them onto these tracks. Now it's actually 3 tracks here, and then it was 2 tracks in the background there, and a 3rd one for more maintenance. I like trains. I'm not a train fanatic, but if you're really interested in trains and you're in Taiwan, this is a must-see spot for you. The fan-shaped railroad garage in Changhua City. You can get up close and personal to all the different engines. They've got the oldest to the most modern. There's a railroad tracks. There's a train coming behind me. You can get up on all of the trains, and you can see how the train engines connect with their carriages just down the rail here. So if you're in Changhua City, come see the fan-shaped railroad garage. See you on the next episode.